Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your grammar class. In the previous video, we started unit number 10 of your grammar club. Now we are going to resume our lesson from next exercise. So you need to open your books at page 66. Page 66. Here on this page, we are going to learn how we put negative sentences into the past tense when we change the original sentence into the reported speech. When we have to change the negative sentences into reported speech, we change the auxiliary verbs, not the main verbs. Now look at the first sentence in the example. I'm not going to the park. He said he wasn't going to the park. Brad isn't coming to the party. She said Brad wasn't coming to the party. Now you see that not is being added to the past tense of the auxiliaries. Now with the same pattern we will do exercise F. Look at exercise F. My grandmother doesn't speak English. He said his grandmother didn't speak English. Now does is changed into did. I don't feel well. She said she didn't feel well. Do is changed into did. I can't remember the phone number. He said he couldn't remember the phone number. I won't be at school on Friday. She said she wouldn't be at school on Friday. I'm not going to wear a jacket. He said he wasn't going to wear a jacket. Imran isn't going to karate lessons this term. She said Imran wasn't going to karate lessons this term. We aren't coming on the picnic. They said they weren't coming on the picnic. I haven't read the email from Fahad. She said she hadn't read the email from Fahad. Now, next exercise G. Read the sentences and then complete the original sentence. Now, reported speech is given and you have to find out the original sentence. He said I couldn't borrow his dictionary. Original sentence might be you can't borrow my dictionary. She said she didn't need any help. I don't need any help. He said he couldn't open the window. I can't open the window. She said the bus wasn't running on time. The bus isn't running on time. Now here the past has been changed into present and also there is a change in subject. Okay, now come to the next page. Use of told. When we often use told, which is the past tense of tell, instead of said to introduce reported speech, told is always followed by an object. Compare the sentences. Uh, in the first sentence, Andy said he liked computer games. Now, if we use told, then there must be a person to whom Andy is talking to. Andy told me he liked computer games. Hannah said she was angry. Hannah told Dave she was angry. Now you see, after told there is an object. Now in the same pattern you are going to do exercise H. I will bring a bat and a ball. He told me he would bring a bat and a ball. I write with my left hand. She told me she wrote with her left hand. You can't borrow the letter. He told me I couldn't borrow the letter. I'm meeting Emmy in the park. She told me she was meeting Emmy in the park. You will enjoy the party. She told me I would enjoy the party. Now, after told, you are going to use me. Next exercise. There are pair of sentences and you have to put tick with the correct sentence and cross with the wrong. They've told the water was cold. They've said the water was cold. Now, which one is correct? Yes, second sentence is correct. You have to put a tick with the correct sentence and cross with the wrong one. Okay, now complete this exercise by looking at the correct sentences. Okay, now come to the next page. This is review page. Now here you have to complete the speech given by the person, and you have to change into reported speech. Now here is a boy, and he says, I am going to the aquarium with my family today. We are going to have lunch there. I will be home at 3 o'clock. Now if we change this speech into reported speech, then it might be, he told me he was going to the aquarium with his family today. He said they were going to have lunch there. He said he would be home at 3 o'clock. Now, using the same pattern, you have to change speech number 2 and speech number 3 by your own. It's a test for you that you have to do it yourself and prepare all the remaining exercises for the test next time. Okay, you can take help from the yellow box here. Review is your homework. You have to complete it yourself. Understand? Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Next time there will be a test for from this chapter and you have to do it. Okay, Allah Hafiz.